Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Lika. For those of you who are new here, I make content related to making money online, financial education, and vlogs, all sorts of crazy stuff. So I know that I disappeared on you guys, and truth be told, I do have a good reason for that, and I will be uploading it soon. But for this video, I will be sharing 5 companies and a bonus one. These companies, I am absolutely certain of them, like any other company that I've spoken about. With these companies, I am certain of them. So the first company, it is called Pharmacy Career Coach. This company coaches pharmacists on how to get hired in a challenging and saturated job market. And they are offering 100% remote contract job positions that are available worldwide. And this is completely flexible. So guys, look at this. You can work whenever and wherever you feel like. As a freelancer, you can apply for roles such as career coaching, resume writing, customer service representative, sales representative, and the most recent, social media managing. To apply, you need to send your resume to hr@pharmacycareercoach.com, outlining why you are interested in the role, how much time you have available per week, and the relevant experiences that you have that makes you a good fit for this position or a role that you worked in that is similar to this position. Unfortunately, they did not state how much they will be paying contractors. However, I did see a lot of good reviews. People were just saying blah blah blah, they pay good, stuff like that. Nothing in particular, but from my research and my understanding, they are a good company. So what's the worst that can happen? Just apply and see what they offer you. Moving on, now the second company, it is called Remote Reps. And yes, I know many of you might be familiar with Remote Reps. Some of you might not be familiar with Remote Reps. Now, for those persons who aren't familiar, they are a remote call center that hires worldwide for positions such as customer service, sales, and technical support. They pay via PayPal and Payoneer, and I have seen people from Jamaica commenting that they work with Remote Reps and they earn approximately $90,000 per month. I did not ask whether they had any form of qualifications or anything like that. They provided me with that information. The good thing is that you don't need to have much experience to work with Remote Reps. However, you will need to submit a video and an audio. One of them, well, basically in both of them, you are explaining your experiences and all of that. And in the video, you do an introduction, which is basically stating where you're from, your name, your career background, experiences, skill set, all of that great stuff. And you will need to do a transcription test, but the audio is only 2 minutes and a couple seconds, and the test is like 8 minutes long. However, guys, if you have anxiety like me when you are faced with time to get by and get things done, you will actually waste that time. But if you have really good typing skills, you can go ahead and apply. Now, for persons who don't have the best typing skill, let me just show you a little shortcut. I'm not influencing you to do the wrong thing, but a little shortcut to pass that little thingy is just to download that audio and use Microsoft Word, replay it in Microsoft Word and let it dictate the information to you, and then you copy that, you paste it back into XYZ, and then you just fix it and go ahead and submit it instead of wasting a lot of time juking each and every single letter on that keyboard. Save yourselves some time. Moving on, now the next one, it is called BeerDev. Guys, BeerDev, it is one of the few companies that offer completely remote jobs, and they have over 240 odd job openings. So you can apply for any one out of that 240 something job openings. For example, they have openings for customer service, openings for sale, and they don't necessarily mean that only one person per opening. They are similar to 24/7 virtual assistant, wherein you need to do tests to just to see how well your skills are that you actually select on the platform. If you select a skill, you are going to have to do a test to prove that yes, you have an understanding of that skill. So be careful what you choose and save yourselves the time. You can work either full-time or part-time. However, once you submit your profile, once you complete your profile, you set the hourly rate that you would like to earn and stuff like that. They are going to review your resume. Unfortunately, they take like 2 to 4 weeks to review your not resume, your application form. They take like 2 to 4 weeks to review that, so you want to keep that in mind. It's not going to happen overnight, so yeah. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you are the one who is going to set how much you want to earn. So they do not disclose like a set amount of money that people earn, because you are the one who's going to decide like, this is what I'm going to charge companies that wants me to work as a virtual assistant for them. They did not state whether or not they paid via PayPal, Payoneer, or whatever. And despite my effort to search down that internet to get information for you guys just to post it, I did not find any. So I guess you're just going to have to apply, wait until they vet your application, and then if you get through, then you will know how it is that they pay. Now the next company, it is called Study.com, and guys, a lot of you know Study.com. Now Study.com, they offer a lot of 100% remote contractual gigs to people from anywhere in the world. So that means no matter where under a rock you are located, you can apply for these contractual job offers. The one that I actually wanted to speak about in this video is their sales development representative role. That role, it is going for $15 an hour at this present moment, and you don't need to have a lot of skills or whatever. They actually asked for 1+ years of experience, great communication skills both orally and in writing, and being good at prospecting. Now they want sales development representatives who are experienced in telephone prospecting, preferably in the education tech industry. However, if you have sales development representative experience in another industry, you are completely fine. They just want to know that you have a little experience in that. And also, you are paid twice per month. And the best part, guys, unlike some long exhausting application forms wherein you need to submit even drug tests and all that madness for $15, the only thing they asked for is your resume, your cover letter, and just a paragraph outlining where you see yourself in the next 2 to 4 years. How easy could that be? I would just write something like, in the next 2 to 4 years, I see myself as an experienced remote sales development representative, positively contributing to the organization through the use of strong problem-solving skills, persuasion, and the ability to communicate both orally and in writing. And guys, if you can't make up stuff like that, use ChatGPT or use Google to come up with a paragraph. Then you reword it and allow it to match your personal goal for the next 2 to 4 years. Moving on to the next one. Now this one, it is called Versatile Marketing, and Versatile Marketing, they hire globally but not worldwide. Now let me explain. So they hire people from Central America, so that is El Salvador, Costa Rica, Belize, Guatemala, Nicaragua, Mexico, Honduras, etc, etc, etc. If there are more countries, they hire from South America, so Venezuela, Colombia, Bolivia, Uruguay, Ecuador, Guyana, Chile, all of those countries that come from South America, they hire from those countries. In addition to that, they hire from the Philippines, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. Now they are seeking virtual assistants to work in different roles, and they are paying $3 to $4 per hour base pay plus commission, and they pay monthly via Upwork and PayPal only. And for the person seeking a full-time job position, this is it. They offer full-time job positions in Eastern Standard Time. The last time I checked, they were actively hiring telemarketers, cold callers, and outbound callers. So they're basically always seeking people to hire. One little thing though, you will need to show proof of your equipment. So proof of your headset, proof of your computer this and your computer that. Nothing hard. I'm just letting you know that be prepared to have those to show if it is that you advance to the interview and stuff like that. Now, in order to find versatile marketing, what you need to do, you need to go on Facebook, type in versatile marketing. It is going to come up. You click that link, you read the instructions and you apply. Now, down to the bonus job, because I really feel bad about not being online for so long. So this company, it is called Talentpop, and yes, many of you might know Talentpop, some of you might not. But this company, they are a virtual call center and they are paying at least $3 per hour, and that is in worst case scenario, because most of their jobs pay at least $3.50 and up, depending on the position that you're applying for example sales, and it also depends on the number of years experience that you have. So this company, guys, trust me, it is a good company. And I've seen a Jamaican saying that they earned $96,000 easily, and they didn't have like a lot of qualifications and experience. So guys, this is a good try. They pay via PayPal or bank transfer. It is similar to remote reps because they are quick to hire people from around the world, and their process is not long. Remote reps, the process is much simpler, as in the application process, but Talentpop, it is not long, but it's a little bit longer than remote reps. But both of them are very good companies. Now guys, I have been scraping through the internet and I've been coming across more and more opportunities to share with you guys. So if you want to see more of those, I'm going to advise you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bells, because that is very important to know when I post next time. Until next time, I am out. Bye.